Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target, and it seems to be quite an easy one. We'll use a div in this one because I can find a way to make it without div, honestly. So now I'll give it position fixed. I'll use this div to create this cut in that rectangular structure. Let's first give background etc. to everything. So this, paste. Now next I'll use the body to create that rectangle. You can say square or rectangle, like it is almost the same thing here. So first of all, background, which is going to be this, paste. Let's also give it, not give it, like let's also change it to difference. Now I'll give it a value of 150 both ways, so 150. Now let's use margin to get to the place where it should be. So maybe let's increase this 120, yeah, and in margin I'll make it 80, 70, yeah. The width needs to be increased and also the height, so yeah. Also we need to change the sizes here, 60, no, 120, 115 and 160. Now let's remove the background. So far we have created this. So now I'll use clip path to change its shape as we need it to be. So polygon, and I know this point is 100% and 50%, so I'll begin from here. 100% and 50%. I also know that these points 0, 0 and 0, 100% would be used, so I'm going to use these first. Now now I know that we have to have some value here to make this possible, because it needs to have a little bit of value on the x-axis, which we can give here. So maybe 10%, no, 20, 30, 31, no, 31 seems to be too much. Let's do 30.5. Yeah, pretty good. So I'll do the same here also. So I'll give 30.5 and 100%. Now what I have to do is, as you can see here, it is like this is still not visible. So I need to give a value here also. So we can give that value simply here, like I'll do simple maths. 100 minus 30.5 will give us 69.5% and 50%, which will remain the same. Now you can see there is a little bit difference here. It's because as you can see, the triangle seems to be smaller from what we have made, because we have to give a value on this side also. So after this 0 0, I'll give another value, which first I'll give obviously 0 0 again, and this time I'll like give 10%. No, 10% is too much. 1 2 3 looks good. Let me just change this value a little bit. 1 2 3 4. No, 3 looks pretty good, and here 4% maybe. Now we can obviously use the same values here. So I would say 0 and 96%, comma. Let's submit it once. Most probably it will be 100% only, but still we need to see it once. Yeah. So now I'll just make some simple and small changes that can be made, because obviously also body and A have the same height. So let's do one thing. First of all, let me submit it once again, so that I can check once that is there a real difference between the character count. So I'll write body comma A, height 160, and I can remove it from here. So yeah, there is like 2 character difference, but it is some difference, so it's good. Also we can do this. Let me remove that. Yeah, so we are almost done here. I'm just making the code as small as possible so that we can get a higher score. Now let's submit it. So we have got a value of 660.0.6 or 06, 660.6. But I think there could be a little bit, you can say, making the things better. So I'll just try to bring a little bit change if possible somewhere. What if I remove this, by the way? Okay, it has a significant role there. I thought it didn't have, so I just thought of removing it. I think although there should be a little bit difference, like there should not be this little bit difference visible. So I'll just randomly try to do this. 95.5. What if I submit it now? Although it increased the characters, but maybe the score gets... No. It got worse. My bad. So let me just remove the change. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.